A revolutionary way of detecting lung disease has been unveiled at Prince of Wales Hospital. The world-first scanner was developed here in Australia using funds from the federal government for local medical research.
Treating chronic lung disease in the modern age. This 4D scanning machine, a breath of fresh air for millions of Australians living with life-threatening respiratory issues.
And it allows us for the first time to really see what's happening inside of someone's lungs when they breathe.
The $60 million XV scanner, the first of its kind in the world, will assist doctors in identifying conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, cystic fibrosis, asthma, as well as lung cancer.
Australians will get better diagnosis and earlier treatment at a faster rate than anybody in the world.
It will reduce anxiousness and the time necessary that you would see in a normal X-ray or a CT scan.
This revolutionary piece of life-saving equipment will bring together both 4DMedical software and hardware technologies, all developed right here in Australia. And it's hoped that this is just the beginning, with more innovative announcements set to be made in the future.
The federal government providing close to $29 million for the project, all part of the $100 million pledged to national medical technology research.
Put the money there with Australian scientists and engineers. They can deliver projects that can change people's lives.
Patients breathing easy in the name of science. Liam Tapper, 7 News.